Macquarie Research analysts are preparing for an earnings upgrade for Australian iron ore miners as prices surge above $160 per tonne as Ukrainian iron ore producers declare force majeure on supply contracts. The analysts believe higher prices could see BHP and Mineral Resources earnings upside of 43% and 60% respectively in 2021-22. Benchmark iron ore prices reached $162.75 per tonne on the 7th of March 2013, % higher week on week. The equities team wrote in a note to clients on Tuesday. Ukraine exported about 44 metric tons of iron ore pellets in 2021, but its ports have been closed because of the Russian invasion. Bloomberg, Andrei Rudakov. BHP shares are up 0.3% today to $48.69, and Mineral Resources shares are up 3.7%. Weekly shipping data was lower for Rio Tinto and Fortescue, but higher for BHP according to Macquarie's bespoke port data. Rio Tinto shares are down 0.5% today, and Fortescue shares are up 0.8%. The market's attention was directed to Ukrainian force majeure declarations, 18 metric tons to China, and China's steel production recovery, in spite of the National Development and Reform Commission's intervention in China. Macquarie's commodity desk strategy team expects to see Chinese infrastructure spending accelerate after the National People's Congress meeting this week. Current iron ore spot prices were likely to generate 14% free cash flow yield for BHP and Rio Tinto in 2021-22, and 8% for Fortescue. For the smaller names, the spot free cash flow yields are 5% for Deterra Royalties, but soft to 0% for Champion Iron and negative for Mineral Resources due to elevated capital spend. Ukrainian firm Ferrexpo declared force majeure on its pellet exports on the 25th of February because it was unable to use national railways and exporting was halted at the port of Pivdeny, formerly known as Yuzhny, 30 kilometers east of Odessa. Ferrexpo said it would stockpile iron ore at its processing site in central Ukraine. The situation in Ukraine remains complex and changeable, Switzerland-based Ferrexpo told customers and shareholders on the 28th of February. The group is aware of reports of the Ukrainian railway network providing limited capacity to its freight customers, and the group can confirm that it has dispatched a proportion of its production to the western border of Ukraine to customers in Europe. It remains unclear as to the ongoing availability of railing capacity and, if available, the quantity of pellets that the group may be able to deliver to its European customers.